Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing a short sketchbook tour of what I've been working on for the past few months. This is my absolute favorite sketchbook. It is a Strathmore mixed media sketchbook, and I'll link it down below. My first piece is a mixed media portrait of Oscar Wilde. This was done in watercolor, gouache, fine liner, and some colored pencil, which is mostly what I work in, especially for my portraiture. The next piece is done in the same materials, and this is a portrait of Michelangelo's statue of David, which is my all-time favorite piece of art. I have drawn it probably more than a dozen times in the past 2 years. My next piece is, again, mixed media, watercolor, some gouache, fine liner, and pencil, and this is this portrait. I'm really happy with how this one turned out. It's one of my favorite pieces. And then this is just a collection of kind of random portraiture images. You will notice that I deal almost exclusively in portraiture with my work, and especially with my mixed media work. So these were just some quick studies that I had done. This piece, I can't say I'm thrilled with it. I particularly love drawing statues and Grecian style art and patterning, so I thought I was doing something here, and in reflection I actually kind of hate it. So this was done mostly in colored pencil and watercolor pencil, and then this kind of documents my obsession with Heartstopper. I binge watched both seasons of the show and then bought all of the books and read those as well. Right when season 2 was airing, I think. Can't wait for season 3. And that was done mostly in marker and fine liner. And then this piece was a series of quick self-portraits that I did based on photos from a series of years. The first one I was like 10, the second one I was like 17. Oh, I don't even know for the third one, but they're all right. I'm not thrilled with them. And I do really love this piece. It's a mixed media piece I did, layering, again, watercolor, gouache, colored pencil, and some fine liners. And I brought in some metallic accents on this, which I think really helped pop and bring it some depth. So I was pretty pleased with this one. I do quite like the eyes. And then this piece was a little bit of a different style for me. I saw a photo on Pinterest and I took some inspiration from that, and I think it's kind of cool. It's definitely different for me, a lot blockier in shaping, and I don't know, I like the metallic copper in the background, and I'm relatively pleased with it overall. Please do let me know which pieces are your favorite. This piece was something I did for my illustration class. The prompt was an object and then an emotion. So I had a glass bottle and claustrophobia. So I can't say it's incredibly original, but I was happy with it. And then this, I hate these, honestly. I almost cut them out and didn't show you, but that wouldn't be very honest of me. So I just don't think they turned out well. So that's all I'll say on that. And then this was a piece I did when I was out at a cafe with my brother, who also paints, and this was a fake flower centerpiece that was on our table. So this is done in colored pencil and fine liner, and it's a bit different for me. You'll notice it's probably just, well, there's only a few still lifes in here. I also did this one at a different cafe with my brother, and I didn't finish it, but I think that they're kind of nice. These were just Prismacolor pencils, and I like the softness of it. And then again, just some quick gestural studies of form. I do a lot of portraiture, a lot of figure drawing, so I do like to just practice studies and kind of the contours of the body. So that's what I was doing here. Nothing finished. And then this was a piece I did a couple weeks ago. It's okay. I saw a photo and I really wanted to turn it into something, but I don't think this is what it should have been turned into. I would like to do a painting or something, I think, from the same reference in the future, but maybe with more time. And same deal with this, I did it the same night. Again, I think it's more inspiration for a future project than it is a finished piece itself, but I do think that it would make a great composition for a painting or something if I ever have time for that. Which is doubtful. And this was a portrait I did of my friend Rachel when we were out doing art at a cafe last week. And yeah, it was kind of fun. It's not perfect, but I liked it all right. But that's everything. Thank you so much for watching, and please tell me what your favorite piece was.